The Arlo Pro 4 is a popular wireless outdoor security camera known for its 2K HDR video quality and straightforward setup process. Let's start with battery installation. First, you'll need to use the provided security key to release the camera from its housing. Next, insert the rechargeable battery into the back of the camera, making sure the orientation is correct. Finally, slide the camera back into the housing until you hear a click, confirming it's securely in place. Now let's move to the initial setup process. Start by downloading the Arlo app from your device's app store. Next, you'll need to scan the QR code located on your camera. The app will guide you through this process. Finally, connect the camera to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The Arlo Pro 4 connects directly to Wi-Fi, so no base station is required. The entire setup process should take less than 20 minutes, making the Arlo Pro 4 one of the quickest security cameras to get up and running. The Arlo Pro 4 offers multiple flexible power options to keep your camera running continuously. The solar panel provides continuous charging for outdoor installations, while the dual battery charging station ensures you always have a backup battery ready. Arlo claims the battery can last up to 6 months on a single charge, but real-world battery life varies significantly based on several key factors. 4 main factors significantly impact your camera's battery life: recording activity, Wi-Fi signal strength, video quality settings, and ambient temperature. To maximize battery life, reduce recording frequency in camera settings, lower video quality if acceptable, and ensure strong Wi-Fi signal strength. Common issues include rapid battery drain and connectivity problems. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure no conflicting IP addresses on your network. To access all features, including cloud storage and advanced detection, an Arlo Secure subscription is required, with plans starting from single camera to multi-camera coverage. If you encounter persistent issues, consider upgrading to the Arlo Pro 5S with enhanced features, or explore alternative security camera brands that may better suit your needs.